Hi, good morning. This is Ilmee Mintz. It's a Saturday morning, very gloomy outside. Before we head out to the cottage on the Thanksgiving weekend, I'd like to go a little bit of a stretch, a little bit mellow. It will be fantastic for runners, especially. And anybody who has a sore bum, sore legs, this is it. Okay, let's start it. We have a mat, and you're gonna go sit down, cross-legged, and just put your arms on the top of your knees. Just sit simply, just relax, okay? And you're gonna switch to the other side, coming forward. Sit quietly, just grooving, right? And put your both feet facing each other. Put your thumbs inside of your book. Open your book. Don't force it yet. You are not warm yet, right? Hands behind your bum. Heels where they are. Keep them there. And put your hips a little closer to the heels. Okay? And I'm going just like this. Open your elbows. Slightly place them on the calf if you can. Calves. Don't pull your face down. Just the chest, okay? Just relax. And bring your knees in. When I go stay, come on to this way. I'm facing this way. Okay, because I want you to see me. Hands, shoulder width apart, right below your shoulders. Open your fingers, okay? Don't close it like this. Open your fingers. And go back from the plank. Go all the way back. Your heels are working towards the floor. And bring it back to plank. And again, go back to down dog. And come back to plank. We are slowly moving. Okay, slowly, careful. And I come on up again. I'm going sideways, you stay here. Working towards the floor, your heels. See, I'm making V. My head relax. And coming back to plank. There you go. Synchronized with your breath, okay? Bring your left leg back to the floor, and our right leg is bent, and switch it. It's called walking the dog. Let's walk the dog, okay? Keep pedaling different heel. Your hands keep pressed down to the earth. Keep breathing. Let's go for one more, okay? And there you go. Now bring your left leg. Ooh, I don't have much room. I like to go all the way up. There you go. Right heels press down and bring it outside of your right hand. My right leg is going down to the floor and straighten. And to the floor and straighten. There you go. Slowly. You're warming up, right? And let's go for a little bit of push-ups. Right here. I'm going to switch it again so you can see me. Okay? And going to push-ups. It's like Spider-Man push-ups. And open your foot just like this. And you're looking back and coming back. Your right leg, back leg, is keeping really strong. Okay? Don't make it loosey-goosey. There you go. And one more. And push back to down dog again. And right leg all the way up. Left heels down to the floor. And bring your right leg right outside of the right hand, right here. Ready? You remember this sequence? And on my left knee, I don't know, you can see me. Ready? And down onto the floor and bring it up. Down to the floor. Don't bang your knee, okay? Knees are very hard workers. You have to respect that, okay? And one more. And I'm going down to a Spider-Man push-up. Breathe. Let's go only 5. Aha. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. And open your right foot. My left leg is very strong. See it? And I'm turning and look back. Such a good stretch for the hip flexor. And going one more. And going back. All the way to down dog. And coming to the plank. Hands and feet where they are, you're gonna go down. Toes moving forward. And slightly going to up dog. Bring your neck out. You are not doing this. You bring your neck out. And drop your right leg, right ear to right shoulder. And bring it back. Don't just hanging on the shoulders. You have to push your body up with your hands and your back of your top of your feet. And coming back down. Again, one more to the right. And you slowly roll just forward. Don't go back. And drop it to the left and again. And curl your toes. And go back to down dog. You're gonna do this again. I'm changing the direction. Okay, from the plank. Move back to the down dog. And coming to the plank, I'm pushing my weight to forward. Shift the weight to the toes. I'm going down to up dog. When I'm doing up dog, I don't know you can see me. My knees, thighs not touching the mat. I'm dropping my ear, right ear to right shoulder. Roll it. Just bring it up in halfway. Left ear to left shoulder. And roll it. And my toes curl. And I'm going back to down dog. Ooh, breathe. Your right leg is coming back forward. Knees coming to between your hands, like this. Keep the left toe just like this, okay? Breathe, couple more, and you're going down, if you can, down to elbow. There you go. Don't bring your chest down. Just your elbows. Your chest is going down. Hands bring it back between your knees. Outside of your knees. And bring it back to down dog. And I'm switching the direction again so you can see me with the other leg. Coming to plank. Go back to down dog. Bring your left knee between your hands. Like this. You see it? So my toes are looking down. My back toes, not relaxing it, grab it to the floor, okay? Breathe. You're going slow. And your elbows are going down. Your chest is going down. Of course, if you can, I'm going back. Little farther back, down. If this is enough, that's good. And push it back all the way to down dog. Okay, walk, walk, walk. Walking to your hands. Hip Keep it apart. You sit down. Keep your heels on the floor. Hands on your heart. Relax it, okay? If you can, drop your bum cheek and your hip bones. Relax your spine. Breathe. Hands on the floor. Bring your bum all the way up. Head down. Relax your neck. Ah, such a good hamstring stretch. And going down. Whoa. I'm facing this way. Fix your pants. Right leg forward. My left leg, my left foot is on top of my knees, thigh, not on the knee joint, okay? And make sure your foot is flexing this way. When you flexing your foot, it actually protects your joint when you do a stretch, okay? Okay, you ready? Toes up, right toes, and the left foot flexed, and I'm going down this way. Yep, just like that. Breathe. And you can lower your hands on the floor or forearm. Breathe. Keep your neck and spine somewhat aligned. Don't drop your neck. Not good. Okay? And bring it in. And up. Beat up hold your right knee. Still left foot is flexed. Your hands behind your bum. And push your bum forward to your leg, front leg. Oh, push your chest upward. Oh, isn't this a good stretch? Such a good stretch. Okay, focus. I'm moving to the little bit of the left side. It's because I'm gonna turn to the right like this. Bring your right toe like this. Left hand behind my bum. Right arm coming in front of your my left knee. And if you want, you can give me the money sign or just like a fancy. It doesn't matter, okay? I'm turning, looking back to my left. Don't use jerking like this with the shoulders. You are turning with your breath and a belly button. And again, look back. Breathe in. Again, look back. That's it. And coming back. And I reverse. Okay, let me try to change the angle to this way. This way, so you can see my right side. So left leg is straight, my toes up. My right foot is coming on top of my thigh, not on the joint, top of my thighs. Okay, I'm going down, folding forward. Don't drop your neck. Don't drop your neck. Keep your toes, make them alive. Flex it. One more breath. And I'll walk back. Your hand, bring your left leg, hold the left behind the left knee, and bring it here. See? Still my right toe is flexed. Hands behind my bum, and I'm pushing my hips forward like this. Oh, this is such a good stretch for your outside of the right hips. You're feeling the right hips, you're feeling it right. There you go. One more breath. And I'm turning, actually I'm just drop my right foot to left hip. You get it? I'm going back so you can see whole thing of my feet. There you go. My right hand is staying right behind my bum. My left arm's coming in front of my right knee, right? And I'm making a money sign. And I'm turning. Breathe. with my breath and a belly button. I'm not using my arms to twist me back. Always be gentle with your spine and everything, okay? Breathe in and turn. Breathe in and turn. Should we do one more? Breathe in and turn. And I'm coming back. Okay, let's bring the book out again. Your thumbs inside of my foot. Ready? Your thumbs inside of your foot. You can go a little deeper this time. Your elbows pressing your calves down. Not the head. Drop your chest. What a relief. And I'm coming back. Okay. Hold your feet right here. Your left arm, focus. This is kind of confused. Your left hand holding right ankle. Bring it inside right here. And your right hand holding the left foot. Stack up top of your other knee. Okay? Again, let's bring your bum cheek evenly on the floor. I'm pushing my toes backwards with my hands manually. Okay, this is prep. If this is good enough, that's good enough. Your body, watch your body. I don't want your body to be tilted on the right bum cheek or left bum cheek. Keep your bum cheek evenly, firmly grounded on the floor. You ready? We're actually going down. I did a foam roll, so I don't find that anything. It's not difficult. But sometimes, oh boy, it hurts. Breathe one more time. Again, don't drop your face down. Keep your pretty face up, okay? Okay, push back. Ooh, and reverse it. Keep your leg like this. Right hand under your right foot. Grab the left foot. There. Left hand grab the right ankle. I'm bringing behind it and stack up. Hands on the floor. Ready? I'm putting my both bum cheeks on the floor evenly. Oh, this side is a little tight. I'm actually making manually a little more better form. Oh, there you go. Now both bum cheeks are sitting evenly. Pushing my toes with my hands manually. Push backward. Ready? I'm ready to go down. Oh, ready to go down. Keep your both bum cheek on the floor. Bum cheeks on the floor. Don't let it lift like this way. Push back. Arms on the floor if you can. Don't drop your face. Keep your spine somewhat aligned, okay? Including your head. And come back up. And reverse it. Okay, now cross the legs. We're gonna quiet down. If that was enough, that's good enough today. And you can come back. You can come back. Let's put your hands together. Thumbs on your heart. Breathe. Come back for more. Bye.